What if I told you that most millionaires don't budget the way you think? They're not tracking every coffee purchase or stressing over gas prices. Instead, they use a secret system, a method that builds wealth without feeling restricted. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how millionaires budget and how you can use the same strategy to build wealth faster. Stick around until the end, because budgeting hack number 7 is the one mindset shift that separates the rich from everyone else. If you don't use it, financial freedom might stay out of reach forever. But first, be honest. Have you ever tried budgeting and failed? Maybe it felt too strict, too confusing, or just didn't work? Well, that's because traditional budgeting is broken. Let's fix it. Budgeting secret number 1. Millionaires prioritize net worth over monthly expenses. Most people budget like this: pay bills, cover rent, buy groceries, maybe save what's left. Millionaires, they budget for their net worth, not just their expenses. Every dollar they earn is assigned a role. Grow money, investments, assets, side hustles, protect money, emergency funds, insurance, spend money, living expenses, fun, luxuries. By doing this, they make sure their money is always working for them. Think of it this way: would you rather budget like an accountant or like an investor? Budgeting. Secret number 2. The 50-30-20 rule. Millionaires break it. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings. But the rich flip this script. Instead, they follow a wealth-first budgeting rule. 40% investing and business growth, 30% needs, 20% fun and luxury, 10% giving and legacy. This ensures that their future wealth grows faster than their lifestyle. Imagine if you prioritized wealth first, how much faster could you reach financial freedom? Budgeting. Secret number 3. Millionaires use the no-decision system. Millionaires don't rely on willpower to save. They make it automatic. Every time they get paid, investments are funded first. Bills are paid automatically. A set percentage goes to guilt-free spending. The average person loses thousands a year because they forget to invest or save. Automating it removes human error. Be honest. Have you ever meant to save money, but then Chipotle happened? Yeah, me too. That's why this system works. Budgeting secret number 4. They obsess over big wins, not small savings. Poor people try to save pennies. The wealthy focus on big financial moves. Instead of spending hours clipping coupons, they negotiate a $5K salary raise. Instead of cutting lattes, they house hack to eliminate rent. Instead of stressing over a $10 subscription, they create a side income that covers all their expenses. And speaking of increasing income, the next hack is the one most people miss. But it's the reason millionaires don't live paycheck to paycheck. Budgeting secret number 5. They build invisible income streams. Millionaires don't just rely on one paycheck. They create what I call invisible income streams, money that flows in, even when they're asleep. Some examples: dividend stocks, rental properties, online businesses, royalties. This allows them to spend freely because they know more money is always coming in. Imagine opening your bank account and seeing money you didn't even have to work for. That's the power of this system. Budgeting secret number 6. The rich use opportunity funds instead of savings accounts. Most people park their money in low-interest savings accounts and call it a day. Millionaires, they create an opportunity fund. Money set aside specifically to jump on high-return investments. When the stock market dips, they buy. A real estate deal pops up, they invest. A business idea comes, they fund it. This is how wealth multiplies. A savings account is like leaving your money in a coma. An opportunity fund? That's like putting it in the gym. Budgeting secret number 7. The no lifestyle inflation rule. Here's where most people fail. When they make more money, they spend more money. New salary, new car, promotion, bigger house. But millionaires lock in their lifestyle and increase wealth instead of expenses. If you can maintain a 50K lifestyle, even when making 200K, you'll build generational wealth faster than 99% of people. If you take just this one lesson seriously, you'll be financially free before most people even start thinking about retirement. Now that you know how millionaires budget, the next step is learning their top money-saving hacks. If you want to know exactly how rich people save money, watch this next video. 10 money-saving hacks that rich people use but won't tell you. Click here now, and I'll see you there.